Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about this lead code problem, which is n repeated elements into an array. So what is it saying that a nums array is given and the length of this is equals to 2 into n, which means that the length is always even. Then it says that it contains n plus 1 unique elements. Okay, n plus 1 unique elements. And exactly one element of nums is repeated n times. If the length is 2 into n and one element, suppose x, is repeated n times, which means half of the array will contain this x element. And we have to return the element that is repeated n times. This x we have to find and return it. So we can easily solve this using pigeonhole principle. What does pigeonhole principle says that if there are n holes, like here n is equals to 10, if then exactly two consecutive holes will have the same number, or one block after element will have the same number. Okay, except for the case like four holes are there and x are in extreme positions, then in that case the element which is repeated will always be in the last position. So using this principle and this mathematical property we can easily solve this question. Okay, so let's see with the help of code how we can write it. We can simply use our for loop, which will go from first element to size minus 2. We'll skip the last element as we don't need to check the last element. Okay, then what we'll see, if nums of I is equal to nums of I plus 1, which is the just next element. Okay, or nums of I is equal to nums of I plus 2, which is one block after. If they are same, then we'll just simply return our nums of I. We got our element. Else we'll return the last element. Return nums dot back. That's it. And it is a simple solution. Okay. So what are we doing here? We are just using a for loop which is starting from the 0th index and it will go from one last. Suppose we have four blocks, like we take an example A, B, A. Then we'll check if first two are same. No, it is not same. Then we'll see if these two are same. No, it is not same. Then will go till here only. Then we'll check if these two are same. No, it is not same. These two are same. No, it is not same. And in that case only we'll return nums of back, which is our last array, which is our last element, because only in that case our last element would be returned, because only that element would be repeated. So this was a very simple problem and we solved it using pigeonhole principle. If you have any queries, just put it in comment section. I'll try to reply each one of you, and I'll put this code in the description so you can refer to it and understand it better. Thanks for watching and continue your craze for DSA. Bye bye.